back with another video. Today's video is going to be all about doing a room makeover. If I don't know about you guys, but I love seeing room makeovers. I love the befores and afters and just everything that goes into it. Today we are doing a room makeover on a budget. When I say budget, I mean we got change to spend on this one, okay? We're going to be working with $300. Like I said, we only have a budget of $300, but you can make it work. Not just me, anyone can do this. And I'm gonna give you some quick tips before we get into the video. Number one is paint. Paint can completely transform a room, and it costs between maybe $50 to $100. So paint is number one. Sorry, I got my notes down here. I don't want to forget anything. Number two is budget shop. Those places like Ross, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, Walmart. Those are the places to go when you only have a few dollars to spend, but you want a big impact. Number three is use what you have. Go around your house, go in your basement, go in your mama's basement and see what she has and get some stuff from her house and put it in your room, because ultimately she's gonna let you do it, right? And it's gonna help you towards your budget, because when it's free, it's for me, and hopefully it's for you too. Number four is upcycle. Well, it kind of goes with number three. Take those things that you have and make them work for you again. Spray paint them, paint them, add to them, take away from them. Those are things that are going to get you, keep you within your budget. And number five is be creative. When you're creative, you can kind of pull all types of things out of your hat and make something out of nothing. So those are my tips. I'm about to take you guys shopping with me and reveal. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the video. Get some pillow covers. They have like great pillow covers for good prices. So I come here, I pick out a few that I like and kind of make sure that they go with my theme. Ooh, this is cute. You literally have so many to choose from. Oh, I love this. I think I'm definitely gonna get this one. I like to pick out a few and lay them out just to make sure they're like the right kind. I like this one. Lay that one here. Maybe this one too. Okay, that's giving me very Southwestern vibes. I mean, like, obviously this doesn't go in my room, but it's so cute for like a little girl. Ooh, this is very Southwestern. But, I don't know, I'm gonna try it out. See, with pillow covers, they're a great savings, especially if you already have pillows. And I like to, like I said, just lay them out and see what they're gonna look like all together. I mean, guys, they have sequins, and for $12.99, that's a good deal. A sequin pillow, usually like 25, maybe 30 bucks by itself. Huh, it's interesting. Enjoy the little things. You should. Alright, so we have arrived at Lowe's. Look, I've kind of narrowed it down to a few colors in this range. I like Lowe's because they have like the cards with the squares in the middle, so you can kind of compare it to white. This is what I'm thinking color range wise. Valspar is my favorite paint. I always find great colors with them. But again, we're going with like a southwestern look, so kind of use these. I'm not going to tell you what the final paint color is till we start, but going to use these to kind of start with the basis and then look over everything one more time just to make sure that these are the colors that, like this. But just going to make sure that these are the colors that I am wanting. So at this point, we have removed most everything from the room and patched up a few holes. Now, this wall is textured, so we're not gonna fix that. It is what it is. That's why we're not going how we did this whole, oh, I didn't do it, but how previously this room was all purple. I think the texture kind of takes away from the look. So we're just gonna be doing the accent wall and then everything else in one other color. So be back to you once we get the process started. And the paint reveal. So this is called Desert Carnation. I feel like that's a perfect name for the kind of theme that we're going for here. And guys, I still haven't got my nails fixed because of painting, doing heavy duty stuff, and they're probably gonna break even more, so excuse them. But here is the color, Desert Carnation. So we'll be back after the paint session. Okay, I'm back. Don't mind this paint on my face. I was doing the edges and stuff, but I'm back taking down the ceiling fan. I already took down 3 out of the 5 blades. And we're taking them down because there's not enough money in the budget for a new ceiling fan. Usually, new ceiling fan is between 80, a good one between $80 and $150. So we're gonna take this, the blades down and spray paint this nice matte black, and also the blades and the little connectors. So I'm just taking the blade down all together so I can clean them and spray paint them. Nice and easy. And then I'm gonna take this, clean it up, you know, spray paint. This is like linoleum. I don't know what to call this kind of material, like plywood. So it's not real wood, so I can still, you know, spray paint it well. This like little brass part, I'm gonna spray paint that. Guys, the moment you've been waiting for, the reveal. I know you've been patiently waiting, patiently watching, and it's coming to you in 3, 2, 1.